and there's lots of benefits. So I want to take you through some of them. Okay? Okay, so let's start by making a site. So I want to make a site anyway for my Instagram. We've got a main business one, but because there's two of us in this partnership, that's generally how it works, we were kind of struggling sometimes with both of us wanting to do Instagram lives and things like that. So I've got a business Instagram account. So let's think of a name. So I kind of want like a link tree that kind of links to everything. Louise. Lucky Night Studio. Is that a bit long? Yeah, it'll be fine. Okay, let me just pause the recording. Okay, so I've just logged into it, and here we go. How fantastic. As you can see, it says Naomi because that's my partner, and I'm logged into our business account. So let's have a look together at some of these styles. Now, I just love the idea that this is all done for us, all styled up already. Obviously, my company has, our company has branding, and I'll bring in those branding, colour palettes, fonts, but you'd be surprised, especially with such a small amount of space, that this can just kind of like get you going. Oh, that's nice how it all fades in, but I probably should have my face on it. That's the worst thing about having your own business, isn't it? Is that you've got to put your face on everything. That one's nice, but I don't think it really goes with our stuff. That one doesn't have animation, does it? I could add my own animation. I don't know why I'm being fussy about it. I want my face on it, don't I? And I just want some links, really, don't I? That'll be like to the website, to my YouTube, I guess maybe to our podcast. What are we thinking? I need to decide rather than just... I don't know, this is more fun. I know I need to change all the colours anyway. So, let's... Louise. Should I just do Louise? Add your name and image to make your site more you. Right, let me find an image. 1 second. Right, okay, so I have found an image. I'm guessing it will let me edit the image and like make it a bit bigger. If not, it's okay, I guess. Right, let me fill in these details. So I don't have an X. I want the U. No. And I want a website one. A LinkedIn one, I guess, would probably be good. Email. Okay, I'm guessing a website one I can add separately, maybe? Okay, so here's the handle. YouTube, good question. 1 second. Okay. And then this is going to be hire at luckynightstudio.co.uk. Okay. Add links to get clicks. Okay. So I'm guessing should I just say website? Maybe I should say Lucky Night website. Lucky Night website, which is Lucky Night website, just to make sure there's no spelling issues. And I think that's it. I can can add later on. Yay! Okay, I'm already in love with it. So, no, okay, it's a shame that I can't kind of... Oh, and I can have multiple images by the looks of it though. I don't think I want that, but nice to know that you can. Description, we probably do need a description. Creative. Oh, okay, and you kind of change the design here. Bold. So that's kind of what I've got. Oh, is that... maybe I'll just change this to Lucky Night Studio. Yeah, because it... Oh. I'll take that for add Louise. Is that weird? Maybe I'll do that. That looks a little bit better. Let me just move this out of the way. Oh, okay. And then you can add lots of things here. LinkedIn accounts, feeds. Oh, okay. Mailing list. That's good. I've got a mailing list. So, oh, you can embed YouTube as well. That might be a good shout. Oh, where did I put my YouTube link? Okay, so let's see. Oh, that needs the whole URL. Hold on. Okay, so I've got the whole one. Oh, and you can direct them to an actual list. Okay. What do I want to do then? I guess probably a list might be a good idea. Maybe, or just, did that say just videos? Oh, something, oh, okay. Can I do it like that, can I? Man, I'm not good at this. Right, after lots of kind of manic clicking, it needs to be like a share list like this. So I've managed to do it with a single. We're getting there. Okay, I think that's good. So I've got a YouTube embed. Is there anything else that would be useful? Okay, that's fine. That just says Lucky Night website. Oh, okay, there we go. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? Ooh. Yeah, I think I like the arrow. I like it to be a bit clearer that something's going to happen. Cards, advanced. Ooh. Don't know why I keep saying ooh. Because you can add an image, basically. That's quite nice. There's lots of options here. Okay, but yeah, let's just add a button. Let's go back. Probably didn't need anything else. I mainly just want to like kind of change. Here we are. Okay, so we don't have a huge amount of fonts, but that's okay. I do like that one. Maybe a little bit in line with ours, not massively. Nay will absolutely tell me off. Okay, I'm just gonna grab. Oh, actually, I've got it on our Canva. Let me just do it off screen. I'm just grabbing our branding stuff. Branding colors. Okay, so firstly, should we have it, the background should be pink. I mean, how can it not be? Site background. Ooh. Oh, that's quite nice. Oh, you can have, oh my god, you can go over the top with it, which is exactly my thing. Can I change these colours though? No. Okay, well that's, I do like that though, but that's nicer. Okay, and then we want the text to be not the exact black. Hey, needs to be this like slightly grayer black. Animated. What's this do? Oh, I've just ruined it. Okay, note to self, don't just go clicking buttons. Oh, that's good that it lets you. Oh, I don't want this. Site background, custom. Okay, that's fine. At least I can have the buttons be anything, but that's a weird way of doing it. Okay, so let's take this back to here because that's not... Okie doke. What's this button text? I don't have any button text anyway, but it makes me nervous having that because you won't really be able to see it. Background button, again, I don't have that. But if I add some in, I would like it to at least be... how can I... There we go. Not sure why I had it like that. Oh, it's because of there was a gradient on it. That must have been why. That's a shame that that's not... can I click it? Nope. Okie doke. Let me just quickly go in and here. I'm just going to capitalize this. I just think it would look better. Lucky Night website. Oh, I wish it was bold, but that's okay. I don't think it needs a thumbnail. Okay, so we've done the colours. What is this button? Ooh, yeah. That's quite cool though, that gives you analytics. Top clit, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I probably should add some more links in there, but this is just kind of showing. Okay, so there's payment walls as well, so crowdfunding, mailing section. Visitor left there, phone number, future shop here. Yes, let's have a look what this is. Oh, cool, and that's the button. We don't want that. Can I link this to... Okay, I mean, I can manually add them then. That's a shame I can't, like... stay up to date. Submitted. Thanks for joining the girl gang. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Can I add more in here? Join girl gang. Yeah, that's a bit more fun. Okay, I think we are good. What do we think? I think let's just do it. Update. Awesome. Done. Let's view it. Lovely. Super quick, super simple, and it's free. So I'm going to add this to my Instagram. Yeah, and then hopefully this will be something that's quite quick and easy that I can just update it with new content all the time and new stuff that we're trying to promote. So I hope this has been helpful. I know it's kind of been a little bit more all over the place because I've also been exploring it. It's the first time I've kind of been viewing it, but I think tools like this that are free for business owners is just fantastic. Yeah, so I think it's a real easy win for lots more businesses. So if you've made one, please do share it in the comments below. I'd love to see it and see your designs and how everyone is kind of editing them. So thank you so much. Bye.